folks, we're in a small village in Cambridgeshire called Reach. There's a few things I want to show you here. We're not going to be very long, but the first thing I want to show you is the Devil's Dyke. This is called the Devil's Dyke, and it's one of the largest and best preserved Anglo-Saxon earthworks in England. And it's a rare surviving example of a chalk grassland environment home to a wide variety of rare wildlife. And it basically goes all the way and cuts through for a couple of miles down the lane there. So as you can see, Devil's Dyke, we're here, and it does go quite some distance. And that's a picture of what Devil's Dyke looks like. So here is the signpost for Reach. So what it shows is the arch of the ruins of the chapel, St. Etheldria. And it also shows a carousel horse to represent the Reach Fair. And the church is just over the road there. So there's a plaque on this building here, and it commemorates the 800th anniversary of the Burgess of Cambridge being granted a royal charter by King John to hold an annual fair. This became known as Reach Fair and has been held here every year since 1201. 1201. So this is the church of St. Etheldria and the Holy Trinity overlooking the Reach village green. It was built in 1860. And this is part of the ruins at the back of the church of an early medieval chapel. First recorded in 1378 by Sir John Pexbridge.